Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by choosing dense tomatoes, Roma or plum, for concentrated flavor. Once you have 2-3 lb, score the bottoms and blanch about 30 seconds, then shock and ice. This loosens skins for easy peeling. Make sure to core and quarter the tomatoes, saving roughly 1/2 cup tomato water. That liquid carries flavor and reduces waste. Then heat a wide pot while you roughly chop tomatoes. This quick action moves you from prep into cooking without losing heat or freshness. You now build flavor. Heat 2 tablespoon olive oil and sweat 1/2 cup finely chopped onion with 2 crushed garlic cloves until translucent. This creates a savory base. Once done, add the quartered tomatoes and reserved tomato water, then bring to a gentle simmer. Reduce uncovered for 30-45 minutes, stirring occasionally so nothing sticks. Make sure to season gradually. Start with 1 tsp salt and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Tasting as you go. Herbs go near. You finish by choosing texture. Use an immersion blender for smooth sauce or mash for rustic texture, then simmer an additional 10 minutes to integrate air and thicken. Once done, always taste and adjust. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice or a small splash of vinegar if the sauce tastes flat, and increase salt in small increments. Make sure to hot fill jars, refrigerate for 3-4 days, or freeze portions. If sauce is too thin, simmer longer. If bitter, add a pinch of sugar to balance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.